It's a 3.
If you like what you're seeing here, this is what I'm not good at. The Italian pizza story, the New York American pizza story, and then the Katie's pizza story. This is the black garlic pizza. So we wanted to bring something to the world that represented us. We wanted to also really show what garlic can do. So black garlic is a fermented garlic. We add butter, we put it in the mixer. You get this beautiful concoction. And then we put it in a pastry bag and we squeeze it on top of the pizza. The stracciatella cools it down. We're also gonna break open some burrata. You know, when you get garlic cheese bread, you can taste the MSG because it's just so delicious. Instead of that, we're doing a very salty cheese. Pecorino is a salty, hard, it's like a Parmesan, only it's made with sheep's milk. And then to finish the garlic story, we have chive. So we chop that up, give it some color, and this is the Katie pizza story right here. I'm gonna open it up. You're gonna pull the cardboard off, and we're gonna throw this in the oven. Okay, we're gonna make a salad to go with it. I thought garlic cheese bread Caesar salad would be cool. Our Caesar dressing has a ton of anchovy, has the Calabrian chili in here. Put some here. Always go like in the center of your bowl and kind of let it fall. We're gonna garnish with what is inside the dressing, which is these beautiful smoky chili peppers, some parm. Ah! Grate that on top. Get our white anchovy, and there you have it. And then we're gonna pair this with the black garlic pizza. All right, pizza time, and it is perfect. Okay, so you're gonna see this pizza, and you can see this black garlic, and people think it's burned spots. It's not, it's just the black garlic butter. So I'm going to garnish this with some more fresh chive. I'm gonna do some olive oil, some more of that pecorino. There you go. Okay, Jake, come in here. So this is Chef Jake, the first Katie's Pizza and Pasta. I hired Jake and then quickly realized he had to stay forever, so. It's so sweet, salty, and then major, intense, dynamic garlic flavor.
A lot of umami with that black garlic.
It's like the best one. Cut.
No.